Concept of crime. Topic: differences between crime, sin, vice, and tort. Crime, definition: a violation of the law punishable by the state. Context: legal, criminal law. Judged by the state or legal system. Punishment/consequence: imprisonment, fines, or other legal. Focus on protection of society and enforcement of public order. Example: theft, murder, fraud, assault. Scope: offenses against the state or public. Legal liability: yes, enforced by criminal courts. Objective: to maintain social order and punish offenders. Sin, definition: a transgression against divine or religious law. Context: religious or moral, judged by religious authorities, personal conscience, or deity. Punishment/consequence: spiritual consequences, such as divine judgment or damnation. Focus: offense against spiritual or divine principles. Example: lying, idolatry, adultery. Scope: offenses against divine or moral law. Legal liability: no, not directly enforced by law, except when overlapping with crime. Objective: to uphold spiritual or religious purity. Vice, definition: a moral weakness or habit of wrongdoing. Context: ethical, moral, or social, judged by society, personal ethics, or religious beliefs. Punishment/consequence: social condemnation or personal harm, e.g., addiction. Focus: moral behavior or personal character flaws. Example: gambling, greed, laziness, gluttony. Scope: personal weaknesses that may or may not harm others. Legal liability: no direct legal liability, except when it becomes a crime. Objective: to address personal moral behavior. Tort, definition: a civil wrong that causes harm or injury to someone. Context: legal, civil law. Judged by courts, civil law, or legal institutions. Punishment/consequence: compensation or damages to the injured party. Focus: remedying harm to an individual or property. Example: negligence, defamation, trespassing. Scope: private disputes where harm is caused to another party. Legal liability: yes, enforced through civil courts. Objective: to compensate for harm or damage caused to another. Summary of differences. Crime is legally punishable and concerns public order. Sin is a moral or religious violation judged spiritually, not by law. Vice is a personal moral failing, not necessarily illegal but socially condemned. Tort is a civil wrong between private parties, leading to compensation, not punishment.